In fact, I was part of a focus group discussion in one of the universities last week. And sabi ko, everybody talks about IT. Everybody talks about computer engineering, computer hardware, computer software, computer engineering. Pero sabi ko, have you looked at the basic ways to sense, again, temperature, pressure, voltage, and then feed it into the IT system?
Right.
Or let's say number of people in a room. Yeah, can be done. That then feed it into your programs so that if you correlate all these things together, ang dami mong matututunan.